Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zaya from 48 Detailing, an authorized detailer for Dr. Beasley's ceramic coatings. In today's video, we're going to go over how to properly maintain your ceramic coated vehicle with our new Dr. Beasley's maintenance wash kits. Now, this process we're about to go through is pretty universal for most ceramic coatings on the market, also for both gloss and matte finishes. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, maybe learn something new, and also make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video for your chance to win one of these wash kits in the video, as well with an awesome Dr. Beasley ceramic coating. Thank you so much, guys. I really hope you enjoy.
Hello everyone and welcome to 48 Detailing. If you're new, we are one of the highest rated automotive detailing shops in the Phoenix, Arizona area, providing everything from paint correction, ceramic coatings, PPF, and window tinting. Besides that, we love posting educational videos like how-tos and reviews, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you stay posted with all of our future content. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video.
Now, I'm sure you've already realized that your vehicle surfaces stay much cleaner for much longer after they're ceramic coated. Another pro about ceramic coatings is that when the time does come to clean your vehicle, it becomes much easier as well. Dr. Beasley's maintenance wash kits have been designed and developed by professional detailers and chemists to make sure you have everything that you need to properly clean your vehicle, but also make sure that your ceramic coating is looking good and performing at its best for years to come. This is everything that you receive with your wash kit right over here. You're gonna go ahead and get 2 quality 5-gallon wash buckets, and within each one of those buckets, you're also gonna get a quality grit guard to make sure you keep all that dirt and grime on the bottom of your bucket rather than floating it to the top and getting stuck in your lamb's wool wash mitts that you receive with the wash kit as well. Besides that, guys, you're also gonna get 6 microfiber waffle weave drying towels. Now these are medium-sized towels, so you can use them on multiple surfaces of your vehicle. Not only that, they're super absorbent, really low maintenance with these towels as well. They don't have linting issues like a lot of other towels on the market. And besides that, guys, they're super versatile as well. You can go ahead and clean your paint and also clean your glass with a streak-free finish. After that, guys, you're also going to receive your advanced coat gloss to go ahead and apply as a quarterly or yearly topper depending on how often you drive your vehicle, and then also how you maintain your ceramic coating as well. And then also you're going to receive a body wash. Now, you're really going to have to make sure you order the correct kit for your finish on your vehicle. My BMW Z4 is a gloss paint like most cars on the market, but with the popularity of matte coatings and matte vinyls rising, you want to make sure that you pick the right wash kit for your vehicle surface. I'm using the ceramic body wash, which is designed and developed for gloss vehicles. Now, if you have a matte surface, you want to make sure you go ahead and use matte body wash and order the kit that includes that soap. Besides that, guys, the last thing you're going to receive is also a premium brush to go ahead and take care of delicate areas and nooks and crannies of your vehicle. Now, all of this that you see here is priced right under $100, so make sure that you can get into washing your vehicle and maintaining your coating easily. And on top of that, guys, if you want to save 10%, check the link below in description and use code 48 Detailing for 10% off already a value-oriented package. And also make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video because we're giving away 3 of these wash kits along with a bunch, or should I say hundreds of dollars of ceramic coating options from Dr. Beasley's as well. So make sure to stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now, because we're here at our studio location, we'll be using all the tools to our disposal, like our DI filtration system, our Krenzel pressure washer, MTM hose, gun, and also foam cannon. If you don't have some of these tools, no worries. Your maintenance wash kit and garden hose is more than enough to properly wash your vehicle. But if you're looking for a quality at-home setup, check the links in the description below where we include all of our recommendations. Start prepping your 2 buckets by placing a grit guard in each and filling them with water. We recommend using DI water to avoid hard water spots on your coating. If you don't have DI water, make sure not to work in direct sunlight. The next step is Dr. Beasley's ceramic body wash. We recommend 2 ounces of ceramic body wash in your first bucket, then a powerful stream of water from your hose or pressure washer to lather up the soap solution until it develops a thick foam. Our ceramic body wash is a high concentrated solution that works hand in hand with the coating to gently break down dirt and grime, all while further enhancing your coating with SiO2 infused particles. After you prep your 2 buckets, we could start washing your car. We want to make sure we push off all that excessive dirt and grime on the surface, so make sure to thoroughly rinse your vehicle, including your wheels, making sure to push off as much dirt and grime as possible. If you have a foam cannon, foam your vehicle including your wheels, making sure to get complete coverage. We're using around 2 ounces of soap solution, which is perfect for loosening up any other contamination that the initial rinse couldn't handle. While the foam is working its magic, it's a great time to clean your coated wheels with the soft brush that's included with your wash kit. Because your wheels are coated, there's no need for harsh wheel cleaners and chemicals. If your wheels aren't coated, we recommend to use Dr. Beasley's Premium Wheel Cleanser or Matte Wheel Cleanser depending on your wheel's finish. After your wheels are cleaned, we then repeat the rinse process to remove as much surface dirt prior to touching the paint. You want to think of your dirt on your car as small microscopic rocks. The more you remove without touching your paint, the less likely you'll leave behind micromarring on your ceramic coating. We're a bit OCD here at 48 Detailing, so we're going to foam the paint one more time because at the end of the day, the more foam, the better. But in reality, we do this because the foam is going to add maximum slickness and also maximum cleaning ability, especially for those dirtier vehicles that haven't been washed in a while. Next, dunk your wash mitt into your soap solution, start washing your vehicle from the top and work your way down to the bottom, making sure to rinse your mitt in your second bucket after each section. This releases any dirt stuck into your wash mitt, giving you a fresh mitt every time. And the provided grit guard that's included with your kit also keeps that dirt to the bottom of your bucket rather than letting it float all the way to the top. After you rinse your mitt, apply more soap solution from your wash bucket and work your way around the car until complete. After you've washed the whole vehicle from top to bottom, make sure to completely rinse off any leftover soap solution on the vehicle's surface. We call this the final rinse, which prepares us to our next step, which is the drying process. Drying is super simple. Just gently carry your towel across the surface, making sure not to drop the towel or let it touch the ground. If your towel does end up getting dirty, just grab a fresh one from your maintenance kit. If you want to step up your drying game, we also recommend pressurized air, which helps blow out the pools of water stuck in all the nooks and crannies of your vehicle. And of course, last but not least, sit back and enjoy the finished product. Now, there are a few little details that you can take care of as well, like wiping down your door jambs and also dressing your tires, but obviously those are just options. If you would like to do them, you're more than welcome to.
And that's how you keep your car's ceramic coating looking good and healthy for years to come. Now, I recommend to perform this process at least twice a month on garage kept vehicles or as needed, or weekly on non-garage kept vehicles that are driven daily. Or you can go ahead and check out Dr. Beasley's website for your nearest authorized detailer if you'd like your vehicle's ceramic coating to be maintained and prepped by a professional. Now, one last and final tip that I can give you is proper bucket and towel maintenance.
We recommend cleaning your buckets after each use and also washing your towels and wash mitts frequently with a dye and fragrance-free detergent. This will keep your products in great working condition for a very long time.
Alright guys, I really appreciate you watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you learned something new, and if you want the chance to win one of these maintenance wash kits along with hundreds of dollars of Dr. Beasley's ceramic coatings. We will be doing a live stream May 24th on Monday around 10 a.m. in the morning Mountain Standard Time. All you gotta do is follow the instructions below in the description for your chance to win, again, some ceramic coatings from Dr. Beasley's and these awesome maintenance wash kits. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.